see the concept, that is the molarity. Okay, in the previous session all of you learned the normality. Now I will explain the molarity. Molarity is indicated with a small m. Molarity is indicated with small m. What is a molarity? Molarity means the number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. Present in 1 kg of solvent. Here, small m is equal to number of moles divided by weight of solvent. That means units are moles per kg. Moles per kg. What is the definition for molarity? Number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. 1 kg of solvent is known as molarity. Already you know n is the number of moles. N equal to weight by gram molecular weight. Substitute the n and write down molarity equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1 by weight of solvent. Moles per kg. If you take a grams, that means 1000 grams, you want to calculate the number of moles of solute in 1000 grams of solvent, means weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by weight of solvent in grams. Weight of solvent in grams. Moles per grams. Simply we set the unit molal. Okay, molal means moles per kg or moles per grams. Moles per grams, that means 1000 moles per grams. This is our definition and equation for a molarity. Now we see the relation between the molarity and molarity. Relation between molarity and molarity. The relation between molarity and molarity is 1 by small m equal to density by molarity minus molecular weight of solute by 1000. This is a relation between a molarity and molarity. Now we will see how we will get this equation. Derivation for the above equation. See the derivation for this. What is the relation between molarity and molarity? 1 by small m equal to density by molecular, that means density by molarity minus molecular weight of solute by 1000. Here small m is a molarity. Here the equation, right side of equation is multiply and divide with the weight of solution. So molarity equal to weight by molecular weight. This is the weight of a solute, so take up the molecular weight. Take a capital M, V, means it is a molecular weight of a solute. This is the weight of a solute into 1000 by volume of solution into multiply and divide with weight of solution. Weight of solution. There is no change in the equation. Okay. From this, weight of a solution by volume of a solution is nothing but the density of solution. So write down molarity equal to weight of solute by molecular weight of solute into 1000 into density divided by weight of solution. Weight of solution. Write down here, since density of solution is weight of solution and volume of solution. Okay. And weight of a solution means sum of the weight of solute and weight of solvent. Molecular weight of solute into 1000 into density by weight of a solute plus weight of a solvent. Weight of a solvent. Take the molarity into MB, molecular weight of solute, into WB plus WA, means weight of solute plus weight of solvent. That equal to weight of a solute into 1000 D. Okay, so multiply here. Molarity into MB into WB plus molarity into MB into WA equal to WB into 1000 into density, 1000 into WB, weight of a solute, multiplies, coming this side it will be divides. That means molarity into MB into WB by WB plus M into MB into WA by WB. Here WB will be cancelled, equal to 1000 into density. So here M into MB coming this side, here 4 plus coming to equal that side, that means R this side, it will be turned into minus. So molarity into molecular weight of solute into weight of solvent equal to 1000 into density minus molarity into molecular weight of solute. Molecular weight of, multiply and divide with 1000. 1000 by 1000 into capital M into MB into, divided by WA by WB equal to 1000 D minus capital M into MB. 1000 M, take this side, here it multiplies, coming this side divides. MB into WA by 1000 into WB equal to 1000 D minus M into MB by 1000 M. Okay, here W, that means weight by molecular weight of solute into weight of solvent divided by 1000 into WB, means what is that? It is a 1 by small m. What is the molarity? Molarity formula, weight by molecular weight into 1000 by reverse of this. Okay. See students, this is a inverse of a molarity, means 1 by small m is equal to, write down this RHS into 1000 D by 1000 M minus capital M into MB by 1000 M. What happened? 1000 will be cancelled. Here M will be cancelled. So small m, 1 by small m is equal to density by molarity minus MB by 1000. MB by 1000. Okay. Once again, see the derivation. Molarity equal to weight by molecular weight of solute into 1000 by volume of solution. Okay. So, I am taking a solute weight and molecular weight B and solvent is a A. And the equation is multiply and divide with a RHS of equation is multiply and divide with the weight of solution. Okay. And the density of solution means weight of solution by volume of solution. So weight of a solution and volume of a solution replace the density. Okay. After the denominator coming here, molarity into molecular weight of solute into WB plus WA. That means the weight of solute plus weight of solvent equal to weight of a solute into 1000 into density. And weight of a solute is multiplies this side, coming here it will be divides. So M into MB into WB by WB plus M into MB into WA by WB. Here the weight of a solute and weight of a solute will be cancelled, and here the plus molarity into molecular weight of solute plus coming equal to this side, right side, it will be turns into minus. So 1000D minus molarity into molecular weight of solute. Okay. After the equation, LHS is divided and multiply and divide with 1000. Okay. And 1000M here multiplies, coming here it will be divides. So finally we get the molecular weight of solute into volume of weight of solvent divided by 1000 into weight of solute, that equal to 1000 density minus molarity into molecular weight of solute by 1000 M. This is the inverse of molarity. So on write 1 by small m, and here 1000 M belongs to this one and this one. So separate that and write down 1000D by 1000 M minus molarity into molecular weight of solute by 1000 M. Here 1000 will cancel. Here molarity cancel. So finally 1 by small m equal to 1 by molarity equal to density of solution by molarity of solution minus molecular weight of solute by 1000. Okay. Fraction is indicated with the letter X. What is a mole fraction? Mole fraction means it is the ratio of a number of moles of one component to the number of moles of all components present in the solution. Suppose if you take a binary solution, means it has a solute and solvent. The number of moles of solute is La. The number of moles of solute is Nb. The number of moles of solvent is Na. Okay. Bigger one take a, smaller one take a B. What is the mole fraction of a solvent is nothing but the ratio of number of moles of solvent and total number of moles of solute and solvent, Na plus Nb. This is the mole fraction of solvent. And write a mole fraction of solvent. That is the number of moles of solute by number of moles of solute plus solvent. Okay. And another one, that is if you take a mole fraction, sum of the mole fractions of components present in the solution is always unity. The components may be 2, 3, 4, so on. But the sum of the mole fractions of components present in the solution is unity. Here I am taken a binary solution, means solute and solvent. So the mole fraction of solvent plus mole fraction of solute is equal to 1. How it is? we will prove. Mole fraction of solvent is XA, that is Na by Na plus Nb, plus the mole fraction of solute is Nb by Na plus Nb. Take a LCM, Na plus Nb. Here Na plus Nb. Both will be cancelled one time. So the sum of the mole fractions of solute, sum of the mole fractions of components present in solution is always 1. So by using that, we will also write XA equal to 1 minus XB, or XB is equal to 1 minus XA. Okay. And if you know a number of moles of solvent and number of moles of solute in the form of a weight. See here, the number of moles of solvent is the weight of a solvent by molecular weight of a solvent, and number of moles of solute is the weight of a solute by molecular weight of a solute. Okay, if you know a weight and molecular weight of a components, in that case also you will calculate the mole fraction of a solute and solvent. See the mole fraction of solvent. If you know the weights, see the weight of a solvent by molecular weight of solvent divided by weight of a solvent by molecular weight of a solvent plus weight of a solute by molecular weight of a solute. This is for a mole fraction of a solute, solvent. Mole fraction of a solvent. Write down a mole fraction of a solute. Mole fraction of solute equal to weight of a solute by molecular weight of a solute divided by weight of a solvent, molecular weight of a solvent plus weight of a solute by molecular weight of a solute. Okay. By using the weight of a solute and solvent also, we will readily calculate the mole fraction of the solution. See the next one, relation between molarity and mole fraction. Molarity equal to mole fraction of solute into 1000 into density of solution by mole fraction of solvent into molecular weight of solvent plus mole fraction of solute into molecular weight of solute. What are the terms here? Molarity and mole fraction of solute, density of solution, and XA is the mole fraction of solvent, Ma is the molecular weight of solvent, Xp is the mole fraction of solute, Xp is the mole fraction of molecular weight of solute. Okay. Now we see derivation for these one. First, take the molarity formula. Molarity equal to number of moles of solute into 1000 by volume of solution. The RHS of equation is multiply and divide with the weight of a solution. So molarity equal to number of moles of solute into 1000 by volume of solution into weight of solution by weight of solution. So weight of solution by volume of solution is the density of solution. Substitute the density. Number of moles of solute into 1000 into density of solution by weight of a solution means weight of a solvent plus weight of a solute. Weight of a solvent plus weight of a solute. And next, further multiply and divide with the sum of the number of moles of solvent and solute means molarity is equal to number of moles of solute into 1000 into density by weight of solute plus weight of solvent into number of moles of solvent plus number of moles of solute divided by number of moles of solvent in plus number of moles of solute. Here number of moles of solute by total number of moles is nothing but the mole fraction of the solute. So write down here, molarity is equal to mole fraction of solute into 1000 into density by into Na plus Nb divided by Wa plus Wb. Here in the denominator, weight of a solvent is multiplied and divided with the molecular weight of solvent, and weight of a solute is multiplied and divided with the molecular weight of a solute. Molarity equal to Xb into 1000 into density into Na plus Nb divided by weight of a solvent into molecular weight of a solvent by molecular weight of a solvent plus weight of a solute into molecular weight of a solute by molecular weight of a solute. Here weight of a solute by molecular weight of a solute, weight of a solvent by molecular weight of a solvent means number of moles of solvent. So write down Xb into 1000 into density into Na plus Nb divided by number of moles of solvent into molecular weight of solvent plus weight of solute by molecular weight of solute means number of moles of solute into molecular weight of a solute. Here Na plus Nb multiplies, coming over to denominator it will be divides, means Xb plus Xb into 1000 into density by Ma by Na plus Nb plus Nb into Mb by Na plus Nb. Molarity is equal to Xb into 1000 into density by Na plus Mb means Xa, mole fraction of solvent, into Ma, molecular weight of solvent. Nb by Na plus Nb means mole fraction of solute into molecular weight of solute. Okay. Finally we get the equation. Okay. See here, taking a first derivation for the relation between molarity and mole fraction. Taking a molarity in terms of number of moles. After the equation, multiply and divide the weight of a solution. Weight of a solution by volume of a solution is density, and weight of a solution is sum of the weight of a solvent and weight of a solute. After the RHS is multiplied and divided with the sum of the number of moles of solute and solvent. After that, Nb by Na plus Nb is nothing but the mole fraction of solute. After that, the denominator weight of a solvent is multiplied and divided with the molecular weight of a solvent, and weight of a solute is multiplied and divided with the molecular weight of a solute. Okay, and weight of a solvent by molecular weight of a solvent is nothing but the number of moles of solvent, and weight of a solute by molecular weight of a solute is nothing but the number of moles of solute. And taking up the Na plus Nb coming to denominator, it will be divides. So Na by Na plus Nb is nothing but the mole fraction of solvent. Nb by Na plus Nb is nothing but the mole fraction of solute. Finally, we get a molarity equal to mole fraction of solute into 1000 into density by mole fraction of solvent into molecular weight of solvent plus mole fraction of solute into molecular weight of solute. Okay. Relation between molarity and mole fraction. That is, a smaller molarity is equal to mole fraction of solute into 1000 by mole fraction of solvent into molecular weight of solvent. First, okay, take the formula for molarity. Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute into 1000 by weight of solvent. This equation multiply and divide with the sum of the number of moles of solute and solvent. Here Nb by Na plus Nb is nothing but the mole fraction of solute into 1000 into Na plus Nb divided by weight of solvent. Here the weight of solvent is multiply and divide with the molecular weight of solvent. So Xb into 1000 into Na plus Nb divided by weight of a solvent into molecular weight of a solvent by molecular weight of a solvent. You know, molecular weight of a solvent by molecular weight of a solvent is nothing but the number of moles of solvent. So, write down small m is equal to Xb into 1000 into Na plus Nb divided by Na into Ma, number of moles of solvent into molecular weight of a solvent, number of moles of solvent into molecular weight of solvent. Here the Na plus Nb coming to denominator, it will be divides Na, means small m molarity is equal to Xb into 1000 by Xa Ma. Okay, taking the molarity equation, and that equation multiply and divide with the sum of the number of moles of solute and solvent. Okay, by using the, we wrote a Xb, mole fraction of solute. Nb by Na plus Nb is a Xb into 1000 into Na plus Nb. After we do the weight of a solvent is multiply and divide with the molecular weight of a solvent. We get a number of moles of a solvent into molecular weight of a solvent. Number of moles of solvent by number of moles of solvent plus solute is nothing but the mole fraction of a solvent. Here in the place of our Xa, we will also take Xb into 1000 by Xa is nothing but 1 minus Xb also into molecular weight of solvent. That means if you know a mole fraction of a solute and mole fraction of a solvent and molecular weight of a solvent, you will calculate a molarity. Otherwise, if you know only the mole fraction of a solute, here in the place of a Xa, you will take 1 minus Xb, because the sum of the mole fractions is unity. By using that, we will get Xb or Xa is 1 minus the other. Okay, Xa equal to 1 minus Xb.